Brazilian waxing, we think we already know the story, but the truth is quietly evolving. Across the United States and Brazil, new grooming preferences are reshaping what people consider normal. Today, we're uncovering the unspoken shifts most people haven't heard about. Welcome to MTH Health. Here we break down modern wellness in a clear, simple, and honest way. If you enjoy insights like this, make sure to subscribe. Let's start with the basics. For years, the Brazilian wax in the United States meant one thing: complete removal. Smooth, clean, minimal. But now the trend is changing. More people are choosing landing strips, small triangles, and softer shapes. Still tidy, but not completely bare. Meanwhile, in Brazil, the classic full removal remains the most requested option. Cultural beauty expectations are strong, and the traditional look still dominates. So what's driving the shift in the US? A growing body positivity movement. People want comfort, they want choice, they want a look that feels natural without pressure. In Brazil, the expectations are different. Smooth skin is still widely viewed as the beauty standard. There's more cultural pressure to maintain the traditional style. In the US, the message is, your body, your rules. In Brazil, it often feels more like, this is the look everyone prefers. Techniques are evolving too. In the United States, gentler methods like sugaring are rising fast. They're softer on the skin and often less painful. People are paying more attention to skin prep and aftercare hydration, exfoliation, calming products, steps that help maintain long-term skin health. Brazilian salons, on the other hand, often work quickly and efficiently. Traditional hard wax is still the go-to option because it gets the job done fast. And then there's innovation. CBD-infused wax, hypoallergenic formulas, temperature-controlled tools. These modern options are far more common in the US than in Brazil. In 2025, social media is also playing a major role. On TikTok and Instagram, people are sharing personal waxing styles, which is pushing the trend toward personalization. Globally, Brazil still influences the concept of the classic Brazilian look, and full removal remains the iconic style. But in the US, variety is becoming the trend. Different shapes, different levels of removal. It's all about expression instead of one standard. Celebrity influence also matters in the US. A small mention, a new trend, or a style preference can spark overnight demand. So where is this all heading? In the US, full removal may become more of a niche choice. At-home waxing kits are growing quickly because people want more control and privacy. In Brazil, professional salon waxing will likely remain the norm, and the full Brazilian look will stay popular. The biggest shift is about autonomy. People are choosing what feels right for them, not what society demands. Modern waxing is more than a beauty trend. It reflects culture, comfort, and personal freedom. Whether you prefer full removal, light shaping, or something in between, the future is all about your choice. Thank you for watching MTH Health. If this video helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe.